Step for removing the handbrake motor. Use the 431 test computer to enter repair shop mode. Remove the emergency release cable. Enter the trunk lid. Remove the tires, calipers and brake discs. Remove the fixed baffles, one on each side. Remove the main cable of the handbrake motor, brake cable, positioning rubber parts. Remove the handbrake plug and bracket bolts, and take off the electronic handbrake. Step for installing the handbrake motor. Install handbrake bracket screws. Thread the emergency release cable from the balloon into the trunk. Install the main cable of the handbrake motor, brake cable and positioning rubber parts. After threading the cable end into the brake drum, it will stuck in the slot by the spring, and it cannot be pulled out. Install the fixed baffles. Install brake disc and calipers. The tire screw hole need faces the handbrake pad adjustment key. Notice: adjust the handbrake pad clearance through the tire screw hole. Firstly, adjust the brake pad clearance to the minimum. The brake disc won't turn. Then adjust in the opposite direction, making the brake disc can just turn. Adjust IG-centi's back. Plug in the handbrake plug. Use the detection computer to read the fault code. If there is any fault code, use the diagnostic instrument to clear it. Start the car. Pull up the handbrake. The indicator light on the dashboard lights up. The installation is successful.